So now we are going just to show some functions of web management application and tell some details about some of the functions we might find interesting. So here we choose first the language from the menu, then again by typing the password we enter the application. So what we are going to show are reports, and here among all of these functions we are going to give short comment to the ones we think deserve more attention than the others. We start with the first one, review of the debit and billing per month. In this screen you can see you can choose between household economy and household and economy, which we will choose now. It is important to say that for every time you choose year, you choose 2007, because that is the year we have the data for, and the time span is usually January to December 2007. Locations and booking, this time we need them to be all the locations and all the bookings, so we are not going to give any further comment regarding these. And with the accept we get the report. As we have mentioned before, here is the time you needed for the report, and here you have all the reports for the criteria you have chosen. Here you can have an impact on the look of the chart or graphics, whatever is to your appeal. The next one we are going to show is review of the debits and billings per location, which is very similar to the first one. Again, between actually among these three subsystems we are going to choose household and economy. The time span is January-December and the year is 2007. With accept we enter the report. Within a bit more than 3 seconds we got the report. Again, if you want to affect the appearance of the graphics you can do it from the following menu. And here is the chart for the criteria you needed. So this is per locations, this is the total, and this is the total together with the balance. The function, actually the report that is very connected to this one is a review of the collectibility per age structure of the debt. So we're going to skip these two and go immediately to this one to show. So here again we are choosing the subsystem household plus economy instead of just economy and just the household. So the date is already set, as well the locations and bookings, so we just accept and we enter the report within half of a minute. So what we're having here is the debt per month, the debit, the collection, the billings, cumulative, and the total of the debt. It is important to say that when the debt is accounted, the first thing to be accounted is the collection per the oldest month of the debt, then so on, which can be seen in the percentage of effect, the billing, cumulative, and collection. So now we are going back up to show the interest calculation, which is the report number 3. And with the interest calculation, we always have just household plus economy. The year we choose again is 2007, January to December is the time span, and with the accept button we enter the report. So here we have the pie chart for the household's interest only, then participation interest, and here we have the economy interest. Here are the locations and the total of all of them, the households, economy, and the total debt. So what we are going to show now is the payments per day, which is interesting report. Here we can again choose between these subsystems. We are going to choose household and economy, but the time span shall be much smaller than the time span we usually choose, because this is the payments per day, so we cannot choose the whole year. We are choosing 16th of December 2012 till 31st of December 2012. Actually 2007. Locations and bookings are all the same, and we accept and enter the report. We need it less than a second, and here are the date, cash payments, compensations, total. It is important to emphasize that the smaller bars in the chart are usually weekends, which is Saturdays and Sundays, when the payment is either very low or non-existent at all. The appearance of the chart can again be affected by these previews offered in the menu. And here you get the report for the criteria you have chosen. So we're going to show now the very similar one, which is payment reception per month. Again, household plus economy, year is 2007, and we choose time span January, December, because this time we are showing the payments per month. With the accept button, we enter the report. And here in the report, we have all the criteria we added, with the emphasis that the total amount is always affected by the fact that the oldest month is calculated the first.